Marites lang. Oh, Marites, thank you very much. Elona Aguilar, shout out sa iyo. Ayan, if you do have any song request, ayan, let me do another since nasimulan na natin ng mga acoustic cover songs. Tuloy na natin. Alright, okay, coming up next, Living on a Jet Plane. Welcome to Acoustic Lounge, guys. So, we are actually playing acoustic guitar cover song and then sinasabayan natin ng kanta yung acoustic guitar. Alright, shout out sa inyo, Acoustic Lounge. Welcome, this is Mix D, your sexy cowboy. I hope you're enjoying a lovely afternoon. Living on the jet plane, John Denver. I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside the door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, this blowing is on. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. Sabi ni Marites, ako po yung ID number dati, sabi mo maglagay ng name para ay Marites, shout out, welcome back Marites. Ayan yung mga kaibigan natin, si Lava, si Christian, ayan, shout out Marites, welcome. And every place I go I'll think of you. Every song I sing, I'll sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane and don't know when I'll be back again. And oh babe, I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you. Then close your eyes, I'll be on my way. Dream about the days to come when I won't have to live alone. About the times I won't have to say. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving So, 'di ba? Ano yung maalala niyo sa song na 'yan? 'Di ba Armageddon? Oo, 'di ba nung bago umalis sila, 'di ba? Talagang pinaubayan ng kanyang father si yung babae doon sa isang bida, 'di ba? Para magkaroon sila ng baby time. 'Di ba? Bago magunaw ang mundo, Armageddon. Oo. 'Di ba? Living on the jet plane. All right, shout out